Before you add that must-have item to your Amazon shopping cart, this is how you can make sure you're getting the best possible deal. Hello and welcome to Practical Personal Finance, where you get the information you need to understand and succeed with money. I'm Andrew Scheer, and if you're like me, you do a lot of shopping on Amazon. Have you ever noticed that something you bought is cheaper now than when you bought it? Or how about if you're buying something again and you notice that the price is higher than it used to be? This stuff happens to me too. That's why today I'm going to tell you about this awesome tool you can use to track the prices of items on Amazon. In just a few minutes, you'll be ready to make your next purchase without having to worry so much about the price changing on you. Before we get started, do me a huge favor and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new around here, click that subscribe button. You're about to learn something new about money. The tool I'm going to tell you about today is completely free to use. You don't even need to sign up for an account. I've been using it for years to make sure I get the best deal, especially when I'm making a big purchase. It's called CamelCamelCamel. That's right, 3 camels. CamelCamelCamel is a website that does an excellent job of keeping track of the prices of all sorts of items on Amazon. Anytime there's a price change, you can be certain that CamelCamelCamel knows about it. If you're following along, head on over to CamelCamelCamel.com and I'll show you how it works. At the top of the screen, you'll see 3 camels and a search bar. Here you can search for an item by name or keyword, just like you would on Amazon, but you can't see any ratings or reviews. So what I prefer to do instead is first locate the item I want on Amazon itself, then copy and paste the URL into this search box. That'll bring me right to the page for that product on CamelCamelCamel. Let's say I was interested in purchasing this Garmin GPS running watch. On Amazon, I can see it's got great ratings and that the current price is $149.99. I grab the URL from the address bar in my browser and then paste it into the search box on CamelCamelCamel. If I scroll down a little bit here, I can see a chart that shows me the history of all the price changes for this GPS watch on Amazon. When the watch was first available back in 2015 and 2016, it was selling for about $330, and it would go on sale every so often for $250 or maybe $280. Then in 2018, it seems like the price was reduced permanently to $250. And then in 2019, the price dropped again, and it has generally stayed between $150 and $170 since, aside from a couple of sales which brought the price all the way down to about $120. Not a bad deal for such a great watch. I've got one myself. If you scroll down just a bit more, you'll find some more useful data including the highest, lowest, and current prices and the dates for each. It's worth noting that you can also see new and used price histories for third-party independent sellers on Amazon. What I just showed you is the core of what CamelCamelCamel has to offer, a detailed historical view of how much a specific product was selling for on Amazon. If the price of this watch was currently $250 instead of $150, I might think about waiting a week or two to make my purchase, because the price recently has been closer to that $150 mark. But seeing as how it's available now for $150, I can buy it and be confident that there won't be a major price drop a week from now. If you're not in a rush to make a purchase, CamelCamelCamel can also help you get the item you want for the price you want. You can set up an alert and CamelCamelCamel will automatically send you an email when the price dips below your desired amount. So let's say you wanted to buy this watch as soon as the price was $130 or less. You go right up here above the price history graph, enter your email address and the price you want, in this case $130. Then click Track. And that's it. As soon as this watch goes on sale again and the price dips below $130, you'll get an email to let you know it's time to buy. When I was operating my video production company, I would set price alerts for all sorts of things like new cameras, audio recorders, and protective cases. Not necessarily stuff I needed immediately, but stuff I knew I would need in the future. Whenever there was a sale on something I needed, I would buy it and save myself a few bucks. It's like the saying goes, every dollar counts. Now that you know about CamelCamelCamel, what products will you start tracking? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, click right here to learn about how you might be wasting your credit card rewards points. And if you're not already a PPF subscriber, click right here to hop on board. As always, thanks for watching. I'm Andrew Scheer, and I'll see you next time.